do it. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna heat up the glass around here. We're gonna keep the temperature on the heat gun maybe around 450, or a blow dryer, just keep it at max heat, and let's go ahead and heat it up right now. Heat it up, just move around, count maybe 1 to 10, and it should be hot enough to try to go ahead and pry it open. And if it's not hot enough, or if you're getting stuck anywhere, that means the adhesive is not loosened enough yet. But let's go ahead and heat it up a few more times just to make sure, so we can remove the back glass out of the Galaxy S9 Plus. Successful. Let's go. I think that's enough heat. Get your metal pry opener tool. Check the links below if you need one. They're not expensive, they're very cheap. So I've got it here, and I'm gonna push down, and then I'm going to lift up right here. Once I got it good, once it is in a little bit, I'm gonna move it very slow, just like that. And then, alright, sorry about that, I had a customer, so we're gonna continue on heating the back glass back up just a little bit more. Remember, keep the temperature at 450. Move around a few more times, 1, 2, and try to put extra heat where you're going to move your pry opener tool. That way it will move in very smoothly, and we know we're not going to crack it. So after you put your metal pry opener tool, I highly recommend putting a guitar pick in there. That way it is safer, and it's softer also, and you can go through the edges easier. So we're gonna continue prying the back glass, and if it slips, put the metal one back up, press down, go to the side. And look guys, I'm gonna be honest to you, it feels like it's still hard. So that means the adhesive is still strong. So I'm gonna heat it up a little bit more. Feel free to keep your metal pry opener tool inside and just move your plastic one around. That way you don't have to start all over again. Then go back and do it one more time. And if you got a bigger one, use a bigger one, it's okay. So right now I'm going to use a bigger one here, because I can. See, I'm going to show you exactly what's going on. I'm gonna move it, and I'm gonna hope for the best. And you guys gotta go very slow. Do not rush this process. If you rush it, I promise you will break the glass for sure. So here we did a good job, and then we're going to continue heating up this area right here. Just heat up this area right here so we can pry it open also. If you want a safe tutorial, if you want to watch the perfect repair job, if you want to do it like I'm doing it, if you want to do it from home, this DIY video is for you. There you go. I'm gonna do it very slow. I'm showing you everything, so you should be able to do it without any problems. The most time consuming is taking the back glass of the Galaxy S9 Plus. It's very sensitive part. If you won't do it right, you will break it. So take your time. And make sure you don't put a lot of heat here on the glass camera. And be careful of the flash so you don't melt out your flash. So we're gonna pry and pry and pry. There you go. Then the corners, you gotta be very careful. Almost done. We're halfway there. And move it like a piece of cake. Okay. Now, since the adhesive is loose, we're going to use our bigger plastic pry opener tool, and then I'm going to move it around more. I'm going to go around maybe a couple times just to be on the safe side. Okay, and if at any moment it comes out, stick it back in there. There you go. Start from the bottom again. See, this area here is very hard to still, so I'm gonna go super slow. Go. Look inside. You see this cable? This cable's for this. And now you learned how to remove a Galaxy S9 Plus back plate. Now we're gonna put the Galaxy S9 Plus back and glass back together. And we're going to use a B7000 glue one more time. I'm not going to put a lot just for the sake of this tutorial so you know what's going on. Or you can use the same glue that comes with the screen and just heat it up. And your new screen should already come with the glue. Pre-tape to it, pre-stick to it. The new Galaxy S9 Plus. Now let me show you how to connect this back together. Usually you would have to take out the button. Alright, so we have to heat it up. Or you know what? You don't have to. For your new Galaxy S9 Plus glass, should come with pre-taped. Actually, it's not going to come pre-taped. It's not going to come with it. But for this, I heard it clicking, but there it was. And put your screen in and you should hear the cable clicks. Watch. Here you go, guys. Thank you for watching. Watch this video right here about the Galaxy S9 Plus screen replacement, and hit the subscribe button right here if you haven't subscribed yet, and give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one. And make sure you check the Galaxy S9 Plus repair list in the link below. Peace.